For EF-6 to happen, if it were to happen, it would be like a high-rise building collapsing, which we have not seen. So
Right.
I don't think that's going to be happening. The enhanced Fujita scale and Fujita scale are still 0 to 5, but the EF scale has lower wind speeds because we found from engineering surveys that it doesn't take 300-mile-an-hour wind to completely destroy a house. A 200-mile-an-hour wind can do that.
Has there been anything in significance to ever, one of two questions here is like, has there ever been a high rise building to be catastrophically, demolished or destroyed by a large tornado? That's the
No,
first question.
but there has been the Great Plains Life Building in Lubbock, which is a 12-story building that's wrenched out of plumb about a foot up at the top level.
Hmm. And the other part of that question is like, say you got the new building over in Oklahoma City. Like, if a large tornado were to come through a major population, say St. Louis or Oklahoma City or whatever, are these skyrise buildings strong enough to take a EF3, 4, or 5?
Yes, they are designed so that if the exterior of the building gets overloaded, it'll blow through the building. So it'll save the structural frame. And we've seen this happen a few times where high rises have been hit by very strong tornadoes. It just blows through. So a lot of these buildings, of course, don't have much inside. They have some cubicles maybe, but the best place to be would be in an interior hallway or better yet, bathroom that's in the interior.
Okay. But since we're talking about high-rise buildings, is an elevator okay to be in as far as a safe area during a tornado warning? Like, if it's coming at you, would you still say a bathroom would still be the best bet, or a cubicle under the desk? Where would be a safe space for an office worker in that
Well,
situation?
it's all about the time you have. First of all, don't get in the elevator. Uh, Second of all, if you got time, get to the interior of the building, especially if there's a bathroom in there. That would be your best bet. Being under a desk, under a cubicle, not a very good place to be, especially because a lot of these buildings today have a lot of glass facades. So they're totally glass or a combination of glass and stone. You just don't want to be anywhere where glass is flying around, because as you know, glass flying around about 100 miles an hour, that'll go right through flesh, no problem.
Okay.